Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to our Ruku Vlogs channel. In today's session, I'm going to teach you about Bhastrika pranayama. So, let's get started. First, sit in any comfortable meditative pose with closed eyes and chin mudra. The inhalation and exhalation should be very rapid and forced. Relax for a few seconds to continue for the next round. Another variation. This involves raising your hands and opening your palms while inhaling, and down your hands and making a fist while exhaling. Now relax your body and mind. Eliminate all the thoughts. Just concentrate on the breathing. Now slowly rub your palms. Place it on the eyes and slowly open your eyes and see your palms. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, support me by subscribing my channel.